Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids and My Passion. Today I am going to make an electronic circuit which improves kids' hand-eye coordination. First, let's see the materials what we need. Now, let's see the circuit diagram. First, the copper wire. I am twisting the wire in different shapes. It is up to you. You can twist the wires in different shapes of your need. So, like this you need to twist the wires. Then one terminal of the copper wire, it is connected to the switch. And then it is connected to an LED light. The other end it is connected to a buzzer. And these two terminals are connected to a battery which I am taking 9 volts battery. So, this is the circuit. Now, I will show you the terminals. The one terminal of the copper wire is connected to the switch, that is the negative terminal, and then the positive terminal, it is connected to the positive of the LED light, and the buzzer positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal of LED light, and this is the negative terminal of buzzer. It is connected to the battery negative terminal, and then the positive terminal is connected to the copper wire. Now, let us make the connection. Now, you need to make the copper wire setup like this. You should fix it, and then you need to make a loop like this, where I have inserted this copper wire inside a pen, okay, so that we can move over here. And then this is the terminals. See, all the red wires indicates the positive terminals and the black indicates the negative terminals. Now, let me show you the connections, how you need to make it. So, I just made over here. So, the negative terminal of the switch, so this is a switch, the negative, that is the black wire, it is connected to this loop, where I will be just, I am not soldering it, I am just twisting over here. So, like this, the negative is connected to the loop over here. So, first we will make the buzzer positive and the LED wires together, we will connect it, positive of this one and the buzzer. The positive terminals of LED strips and buzzer is connected, and to this terminal the positive terminal of the switch is connected over here like this. Need to connect it. Okay. And then the negative terminal of the buzzer and the LED wire, it should be connected, and that terminal is connected to the battery, that is the negative terminal, that is black wire, it should connect it. Okay. Now, the connection is done, and this part, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to this end of the copper wire. So, like this, I am just twisting over here. Now, the connections are done. Now, let us start the game. I am switching on the power. So, I am taking the loop. Now, let me show you how the kids need to do this game. So, without touching the copper wire, the loop should not touch it. So, slowly without touching, they need to make the pattern. So, if the loop, when it touches to the copper wire, the buzzer and the LED light glows. So, again they need to start from the starting position. So, without touching, they need to go to the finishing point.
Your voice echoes in my mind.
Hope you like this video and thank you for subscribing this channel.